All right, I think we're back and everything should be better now. I fixed the aspect ratio because that was kind of messed up. And let's see what else. So I did that, increased the bit rate, so it's going to look much better, I hope. And all right, let's get started, I guess, right? Stream health. All right, stream is healthy, but it shows offline here in Twitch. Wonder what it looks like in Twitch. Let's see. Twitch shows offline. Wonder why. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I guess it's delayed or something. I don't know. But anyway, here we go. That's weird why it shows I'm offline. Weird. But it has like a timer, so I don't know. Maybe it just doesn't like it. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, weird. All right. Anywho, all right. So our task for today, just trying to get everything straight here, straightened out, and all right. So what are we gonna do? So first, where do we leave off? We left off where in the last section, what we did was we finally completed an initial implementation for the compiler that takes a serverless workflow JSON specs and compiles them into C#, specifically implements temporal workflows using the new .NET SDK for temporal. And yeah, we partially implemented things like using the Open API spec to generate C# objects to use as inputs to the workflows. Then what we also did was we partially implemented the inject state, which is a way to inject static data into a workflow and mutate the current state, which you start with the input object and you mutate that based on the inject state and merge them together. Then what we also did is we partially implemented the switch state. So in the last video, you'll see what we did was we implemented basically an if-else statement that depending on a value that was passed in the input to the workflow, we outputted a different value by transitioning the state from the inject state to the switch, and then from the if else, which is the switch, to another inject state, which modified the output to reflect, to give us a silly message based on the input Boolean value. So we got that running. It executed in temporal, complete code generation of that, and yeah, it freaking worked. We nested within the switch statement cases. We nested stuff. That's actually, I think, what I want to do today. I think that's what I want to do. I wonder if there is a, Mermaid plugin for Visual Studio Code. Let's see, we got Markdown Preview Mermaid support. Adds mermaid diagram and flowchart support to VS Code. Let's see. I mean, this is great, but like it doesn't actually show what's going on here. Mermaid preview. You know what? Let's try and sort by. Let's see, where's sort? I mean, they just changed. Sort by install count. Yeah, it's like stars on GitHub. So Markdown preview, does this support Mermaid? Oh yes, it does. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install this dude, right? Because I remember this one. Let's see, Mermaid. Which one is this? Mermaid. It's Chromium Dallas Markdown PM. However, it's time Mermaid deal that happened here. Maybe this is the one for me. I don't know. Anywho, I guess we could just use draw.io. I don't know. I think I should just stick to Mermaid. Oh, is this? Yeah, this is like the official Mermaid one. Oh, snap. Yeah, you know what? Let's try the official one and allow wants to sign in using Mermaid chart. Okay. So what's happening here? What's happening? So it's gonna put me in here. All right, so what did that do for me? So open editors Mermaid. Is it really gonna put like another thing here? What do I need more for here? There's no data provider registered that can provide you data. What does that mean? Oh, yes. Oh, I've had to come back. So does this only like save to cloud? Untitled diagram. Does it only save to cloud? I don't know. So let's see. Features. Diagrams you have access to. So this is for their online service. You can attach diagrams to code. That's pretty cool. And then, so that's it. That's all it does. It's not actually an editor. Not actually an editor. I mean, that's kind of like, oh, dark mode, that hurt my eyes. Projects. So here's where we were. So that's a project. So let's start editing. Let's do, I guess it's not an editor. Wow, that's actually pretty loud. There we go. All right, so let's, to create projects, upgrade your subscription. Project details. So we just get that one project. Oh. Presentation, new AI diagram. Wow, that's fancy here. So let's delete the diagram. What do you mean new AI? Create unlimited diagrams to try features? No. New diagrams. They really did this, huh? So if I now go here, refresh. Features. In the Explorer view, you'll find diagrams. When you click a diagram will be inserted into the code editor. That's it? That's all this does? Oh man, waste. What a waste. Like, that doesn't make me want to pay for your service, folks. Let's try this again. Extensions. Let's just go with this one here. Markdown preview Mermaid support. So I guess this is just like a contributor. So this is Markdown syntax support. All right, let's try that one. And then all right, so just so we don't lose this, let's add that there. And let's also add that extension to our dev container. And we also want to add it to the workspace recommendations. All right, so we're gonna ignore that for right now. All right, so let's see how this works. So let's make a folder here. called docs. And let's make a file called readme.md. And oh, that's cool. My GitHub issues are right there. So it's been a while since I've actually written. It's been a while since I've actually written the mermaid syntax. So let's look that up. Oh, great. I have to change the video resolution since it's not supported for this configuration. Expected video resolution is 2560 by 1440. All right. All right. So I wonder if I can do that live or if it's gonna hate me some more. So output video. Oh, it does let you do that while streaming. Look at that. So I have to do, what does it want? 2560 by 1440. 2560 by 1440. Is that gonna like mess with stuff here? Like what happened? I don't know. I guess that is that. So I guess that's 16 by 9, but then I don't 1340 is 21 by 9. So I don't really know how that's gonna go. So I changed it. Yeah, I don't know. I guess let me hop back in here and restart the stream, and it's not going to end this time because I found you can actually change that. So let's go ahead and switch this.